ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, as you know, we have discussed different types of alveolar sound. In this lesson, we will also discuss another alveolar sound, which alveolar lateral. Let's begin our lesson. The sound that is produced when the tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge, that is to say the gum area just behind the upper front teeth, while the air flows freely from the sides of the tongue, producing
la
sound. That's similar to the sound life in English. Dear learners, now let's see this sound with short vowels pattern.
la le lo.
Dear learners, now come to long vowels pattern. To give stress and strength.
La li lu.
Example for this constant sound in Arabic is
lazim.
that means compulsory. Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.